everybody, Barefoot Lass here. And if you're anything like me and forgot that Valentine's Day is tomorrow, well, we're gonna make a quick and easy Valentine's Day treat with only 3 ingredients. Let's get to it. For this recipe, all you're going to need are 3 ingredients. You need the mini pretzels, and you need the white chocolate chips, the sprinkles of your choice. Check these out. I don't know if this will focus or not. They're so pretty. And check it out. Use any sprinkles of your choice. Even if you just have the red ones, it'll look good. All we have to do is put our white chocolate chips in the microwave, turn it on, and we should do 30-second intervals. We want to make sure we check it. Okay, let's check it out. Oh no, they're not even near. But it's better to check it than to have them burn. Let's check it again. This is taking a little bit. Stir it up. I think maybe we have 30 seconds left. Let's put her in. I already made 1 batch. That's why I have such a little bit in the bowl. I think it should be done. Booyah! It's ready. Mix it up. At this point, if you'd like, add 1 drop of food coloring. And I'm gonna do that this time. 1 drop. Stir up. We'll make it nice and pink. My first batch I made white. When you make it, put it maybe in a little bigger bowl and fill it up more. That way, when you put it in the piping bag, or you can just use a regular plastic bag and cut the corner, then you only have to do it once. For using the piping bag, I just cut a little bit off. Now this is where you want to be as fast as you can. I could have made the little hole a little bit bigger, but you just pipe it into a shape of a heart. And then if you mess up like I just did, just use a little toothpick. There you go. Make another one. Yeah, I definitely, well, if I squeeze fast, it's not too bad. A little bit messy. Now I'm just going to show you, I'm going to do a little bit of sprinkles. You want to put the sprinkles on like after every 5 or so that they stick. Holy cannoli, I forgot to tell you an important thing. You have to use parchment paper. And you can put it on a cookie sheet, or I just have it on a cutting board. But you want to put it on the parchment paper. For me, I'm just letting them dry because they'll get wet and they'll be stuck on there. Okay, look at the backs. Oh, they're so yummy. If you want them to dry faster, just put them in the fridge. Check them out. Aren't they like cool? I have the white ones and let's see. They are so good. How about a quick bonus tip? How about you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't? And leave a comment. Let me know what kind of Valentine's treat you're making today. You should really be making these though. I mean, seriously, these are the bomb. All right, it's the same bonus tip as my last video. Here it is. Look how cute. Some lucky person's gonna get this. Okay, guys, Please stay tuned because my next video is coming out in a few days and it's all on the benefits and side effects of castor oil. You gotta tune into this one. It's gonna be a good one. Okay, everybody, thanks for stopping by. See ya!